My name is Kishore and my partner name is Said Ismail. We both are studying in 7th year. I am going to explain about tsunami alarm and how it is occurring. This is called this is called see the when the how the earthquake happens in uh, the the water go inside the earthquake the crack, and after few days it will close. That time the water come out, and the air pressure through this windmill, the windmill will on the after. For the people safety, we have this alarm. People are safely hand over in here. That's all.